Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You must select the items in your Outlook calendar folder, like appointments and meetings, to delete and edit them. To select an object in your Outlook's calendar folder, click it. To delete the selected object, then press the Delete or Del key on your keyboard. Alternatively, click the Delete or the Cancel Meeting button that appears in the Actions button group on the Calendar Tools contextual tab that then appears in the ribbon. To open an item in the calendar folder to edit its information, double-click the item to open it in a separate window. Then make your changes to the item's information. Then click either the Save and Close or the Send Update button within the item's window to save the changes and close the window, or send the changes as an update to the other meeting invitees.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.